Want to make your edits look smoother and more cinematic in CapCut PC? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add motion blur to your video step by step. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your edit is complete. It's best to apply motion blur after you're done with all the cuts and effects. Next, select everything in your timeline. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl+A or just click and drag across the clips. Now right-click on the selection and choose Create Compound Clip. This combines all your edits into one clip so you can apply the blur effect easily. With the compound clip selected, go to the right-hand side and look for the Video tab. Scroll down until you see the Motion Blur option. Click on the switch to enable motion blur, then choose a level from 1 to 6. If it's your first time using this, I recommend starting with level 1 or 2. You can increase it later if you want a stronger effect. Now, CapCut will take a few seconds to process the blur. This might take longer depending on your computer and how long your video is. Just wait for it to finish rendering. Once it's done, preview your video. You should now see a smooth blur during fast movements or transitions, which makes your edit look more dynamic and polished. And that's how you add motion blur in CapCut PC. If this helped, give the video a like. If you have any questions, just drop a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so